Lagi mong alagaan yung sarili mo.
Uwi ka na, nagluto na ako ng paborito mo.
Alessandra,
Tia, magtipid ka!
Laging bibig yung pinagahanap, hindi yung mata eh.
Layas ka yun.
Late ka na naman gumising.
Yung pagtawid-tawid mo ha.
Shanae, nagpupuyat ka na naman.
Sumawad ka na?
Yung mata kasi yung ginagamit pag naghahanap.
Kawawa kayo kapag wala na ako.
Walang malas sa buhay. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone.
Sino kaya magbabagi sa trono na to?
Mom or Lola, I hope you're proud of me. I'm still here fighting. I will make you prouder even more.
Thank you for everything that you have given me. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
For my mama, thank you for the support na binigay niyo sa akin since nag-aaral ako. Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Thank you for taking good care of me. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you sa lahat and sana habaan mo pa, pasensya mo and I love you. Good luck.
Lagi lang siyang mag-ingat.
I love you ma. Happy Mother's Day.
To my mommy and to my mama, thank you po for being there for me always supporting me, and I'm so blessed to have two mothers po, like both of you.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Wala po kami dito, kundi dahil sa inyo, especially to my mother.
I love you, Mom. I'll see you soon.
Just want you to know that I really love you and I'll always be here for you.
You have been there since the start and hope you're gonna stay healthy as always. Love you.
Hi Ma, as a fresh grad to, may work na yung anak mo. Ayun. Kasi may work na anak niyo. Thank you, I love you so much.
A home is not a home without the presence of my mom. It feels like there's always something missing. There's no light at home. There's no security and safety at home.